Assalamualaikum and good day to all. Okay, we are supposed to go to a new chapter today. However, before we start with the chapter 5, I would like to do some recaps on what you have learned on previous chapter. Okay, so you have learned 4 chapters previously and all involve the resistive circuit. Okay, so the resistive circuit is the one that involve only the R and also V or I. Okay, and then basically there are two kind of topologies here. So it's either a series and also parallel. Okay, so before you were introduced with the series and parallel, you were introduced with the Ohm's law, okay, which is V equal to IR. Okay, and V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance. Okay, then so for a series circuit, okay, it differentiate you how to calculate the values in circuit. Okay, and for the total resistance, you can calculate by you just add all the resistance inside the circuit, and for a parallel you need to do the inverse one. Okay, so 1 over R1, 1 over R2, and plus whatsoever, and an inverse. Okay, after that you learn about the Kirchhoff. You know the Kirchhoff. Okay, and normally when we talk about the Kirchhoff law, it's either in terms of voltage or current. Okay, so whatever in terms of voltage normally involve the series part, and current involve the parallel. Okay, so for a series circuit, you can calculate for total voltage by just add all the voltage in series. Okay, for parallel, we add all the current in parallel. Okay, so if you want to draw a circuit, it can be like this. Okay, let's say you have, okay, this one is the coming, so I T. Okay, and then I1, I2, and I3. Okay, we can say that the total of current inside the circuit, okay, the total of current in is equal with the total the current out. Okay, for voltage Kirchhoff law, we can say that the total of voltage in a closed loop is equal by Vt. Okay, let's say you have some sort like this. Sorry, should be smaller. Okay, V1, V2, and V3, and it's in series. Okay, okay, let's say like this. So I have one power supply here, so VT. Okay, and then the next one you learn is divider. How you divide the different voltage and current. Okay, let's say I have 2 resistors insist, okay, and I want to find the V across R1 only. So the formula would be V R1 equal by the R1 over the total resistance inside this loop. Okay, so here we can say that it's only R1 and R2, and multiply by the total voltage across here. Okay, VT I can say it's above between R1 and R2. Okay, for the current divider, okay, let's say we have two junction, and IT total here, and I1 and I2 here. Okay, and this is R1 and this is R1 and R2, some sort like this. Okay, so in order to find the I1, it will be R2 over the total resistance, so R1 plus R2 multiply by the I total. Okay, okay, so and then you also learn about the analysis. Okay, so you learn about the different kind of analysis, and basically is about either it's mesh or node analysis, and you can apply any term that you have learned before. Okay,